In this lesson, we're going to create a backup. To do this, we need to have two hard disks. So in this virtual machine, I have two hard disks, one where the OS is and one where I'll place the backup. So what I need to do first is click Start, All Programs, Maintenance. And here is our backup and restore program. I'm going to click Backup. Then I'm going to click Create a System Image. Now it's going to try to find an empty disk to put the backup on. And in this case, it found my empty disk, my second hard disk. My window's kind of cut off here, but I'm going to click Next. Then it's just confirming my backup settings. This will back up my recovery partition and my partition with my operating system. So this is a small partition at the beginning of the disk, and this is my normal C drive. This is where Windows is installed. Then I'm going to click on Start Backup. And this is going to take some time to do. I'll edit the video so you're not watching the entire backup. The backup is done. Now it's asking if you wanted to create a system repair disk. We're not going to do it at this point, but if you need to restore your computer, you would need to create this ahead of time. You would need also a blank CD. So I'm just going to click No for this. I'm going to close, and I'm going to close this window out here. Now if I go to the second hard disk, I can see that the second hard disk now has content. If I click on it, I can see my backup is right there. What it actually creates is a virtual hard disk. So it didn't really back up my system at all, it just really imaged the hard disk. And this is the image file. If you notice, it's VHD. That stands for virtual hard disk. There's two virtual hard disks, one for the recovery partition and one for our Windows partition. Okay, that's it for this lesson.